Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix Qubo Camera not connecting to Wi-Fi, step-by-step network and app troubleshooting guide. Fix 1. Check your Wi-Fi network. Make sure your phone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network and verify that the Wi-Fi is working by opening a website. Now use a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network if your Qubo camera does not support 5 GHz. Fix 2. Restart the camera and router. Unplug the camera from power, then restart your Wi-Fi router. Now wait for around 1 to 2 minutes and then power the camera back on. Attempt the setup again. Fix 3. Reset the Qubo camera. Locate the reset button on the camera and press and hold it for about 10 to 15 seconds until you hear a prompt or see the LED change. Now wait for the camera to restart and add the camera again through the Qubo app. Fix 4. Re-enter Wi-Fi password. Open the Qubo app and start the camera setup process again. Now carefully enter the correct Wi-Fi password and make sure there are no extra spaces or typing mistakes. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.